If you're considering CopySmith for your business, you're probably wondering whether it's the right choice for your content needs. In this video, we're diving into 12 things you absolutely need to know before buying, so stick around to see how it compares to other AI writing tools out there. First off, CopySmith is a generative AI software designed to help businesses create content quickly. It promises to handle everything from blog posts to product descriptions. But does it deliver? Let's find out. Next thing, you need to know that CopySmith's user interface is pretty clean and easy to navigate. If you've used tools like Jasper or Writer, you'll feel right at home. It's designed with simplicity in mind, so you don't have to waste time learning how to use it. However, it lacks some advanced features that competitors like Jasper offer. For example, Jasper's long-form content editor is more robust, and its templates are far more customizable. The third thing to consider is pricing. CopySmith has different tiers, but it can get pricey for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. While it's cheaper than some competitors, like Writesonic or Jasper, the lower tier plans come with some limitations, such as fewer words per month. If you're a small business on a tight budget, you might want to check if the features are worth the price. Next thing, the AI quality is decent, but not flawless. While CopySmith can generate content pretty quickly, the quality isn't always as high as what you get from more advanced tools like Copy.ai or Jasper. You might find yourself spending more time editing the output, which reduces the overall value. The fifth thing you should know is that CopySmith excels at product descriptions, ads, and social media posts. But when it comes to long-form blog content or complex articles, it doesn't quite hit the mark. It struggles with maintaining a natural flow over long pieces, something that Jasper handles better with its tone of voice and content structures. The sixth thing to mention is collaboration features. While CopySmith has team collaboration tools, they're not as powerful or as intuitive as what you get with tools like Copy.ai or Writesonic. For teams that need to work on content together, this might be a deal breaker. Next, let's talk about integrations. CopySmith has integrations with Shopify, Google Ads, and more, but it's still not as expansive as competitors like Jasper, which has a broader list of integrations with tools like Surfer SEO and WordPress. If your business relies heavily on third-party apps, this could be a limiting factor. The eighth thing to consider is SEO features. CopySmith has some SEO tools built in, but they're fairly basic. If you need detailed keyword research, competitor analysis, or on-page SEO suggestions, you might want to look into alternatives like Writesonic or Surfer SEO, which have more robust SEO tools integrated into their platform. The ninth thing, while CopySmith does offer a plagiarism checker, it's not as advanced as others in the market. If you're producing high-volume content, you'll want to double-check your work manually or use an external tool. Next thing is the customer support. While CopySmith offers email support, it doesn't provide live chat, which could be a downside if you need quick assistance. Competitors like Jasper have more immediate support options that might be more suitable for businesses that can't afford delays. The 11th thing is the AI's tone and style. CopySmith can generate content in a variety of tones, but its style doesn't always capture the nuances of certain industries or brands. Jasper, on the other hand, offers more precise control over the tone and voice, making it a better option for brands with a strong identity. And finally, CopySmith's free trial gives you a good idea of its capabilities, but it's limited. If you want to see how it stacks up, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to unlock the full experience. If you're on the fence, you might want to check out a solution that offers a more generous free trial. So, is CopySmith a good option? Absolutely, especially if you're looking for a tool to handle basic content generation. But if you're looking for something that offers more advanced features and flexibility, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free, and it might just be what you need to take your content creation to the next level.